Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So what we're going to do today is a chicken stew. I've got some paprika or chili if you wanted, and cumin in there. Black eyed peas, green beans, and a very deep tomato sauce. Really, really lovely, this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got one chicken. This is a 1 kg chicken, which is about 2.2 pounds. Skin is on, bone is in. I've chopped that into about 12 pieces. We've got one can here, 400 ml of tomatoes. They were a whole tomato. I just crushed them with my hand. 135 grams of tomato paste. That's kind of one of those small Tetra Pak things. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you want, you could use chili. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of chopped onions, and then these three here are about the same. We've got 2 cups of each. Fresh tomatoes chopped. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Black eyed peas, these are from a can. If you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water, and some fresh green beans. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. That's about it. So you're going to need a pot or a large skillet or a kind of wok type thing that I have here. I've got olive oil in there. You could be using a different oil, no problem. I've got about 3 tablespoons. The heat, I've just put it on now. What we're going to do, the heat's on above medium, by the way. We're just going to drop in our chicken. And we're just going to throw this around first by itself for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, beautiful. So just a few minutes there, got a little bit of colour on it. We're now going to go in with a tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper, nice big pinch of black pepper in this one. And then we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes again. Fantastic, really fantastic. Okay, we're now going to add in the tomato paste. That's going to go in. And I just want to sort of cook that out for about another 3 or 4 minutes, really. I always find it important to cook it out because it can be a little bit bitter, I find. So keep it moving now, about another 3 minutes, then we'll start building and building until we get this beautiful chicken stew happening. All right, lovely. Okay, next up we're going to drop in the fresh tomatoes. So there's 3 types of tomatoes going in here, the paste, the canned, and the fresh. Then I'm going to drop in our green beans, and then the spices. Paprika or chili if you like that, and cumin. Now be careful with paprika because it comes usually in 3 types. Sweet, which is a kind of nice mild flavour. Hot, which is basically chili, it's like you're putting chili powder in, or smoked. Now smoked would be absolutely lovely in that, but I don't have any. What a shame. So here we go. We're going to go for about 4 minutes now, 4 or 5 minutes actually. Keep this moving around. We want those tomatoes, those fresh ones, to break down a little bit. Fabulous, really fabulous. Okay, time for our black eyed peas there. Like I say, I'm using these from a can. If you're going to do that, like any beans, always give them a nice wash in some water because that water they've been sitting in, I don't think is too lovely. Then we're going to add our 1 can of tomatoes. Like I say, these were a whole plum tomato that I just roughly crushed with my hand. We're going to turn the heat down now, not to a simmer but above a simmer. We're going to let that go for about 9 or 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. That is beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. We've got ourselves a lovely little chicken stew, nice and deep, with 3 different types of tomato in there. Fabulous. Now if you wanted, you could run some cilantro through that, chopped cilantro or parsley. I'm going to have it just like that. Okie dokie, there we go. Absolutely wonderful. That is beautiful with some rice, just some plain white rice, I find. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.